Do you find yourself battling against frizzy hair and want to get rid of it? Well, then you've clicked the right video. Welcome to our channel, and make sure to subscribe it if you haven't yet. This video will cover frizzy hair care routine, mistakes to avoid, and DIY hair masks. Now, without wasting time, let's dive in. Hair care routine for frizzy hair. Choose the right products. Use products specifically designed for frizzy hair, such as anti-frizz serums, leave-in conditioners, and styling creams. Look for products with ingredients like argan oil, shea butter, and glycerin for added moisture. Gentle cleansing. Start your frizzy hair care routine with a sulfate-free moisturizing shampoo. Avoid daily washing as it can strip your hair of its natural oils, leading to increased frizz. Hydrating conditioner. Follow up with a rich hydrating conditioner. Apply conditioner mainly to the ends and lengths of your hair. Avoid the scalp to prevent excess oiliness. Leave the conditioner on for a few minutes to allow for better absorption. Make sure to rinse out the conditioner completely to avoid any residue, which can make hair appear greasy. Consider incorporating a weekly deep conditioning treatment for an extra boost of moisture. Cold water rinse. Finish your shower with a cold water rinse. Cold water helps seal the hair cuticle, reducing frizz and enhancing shine. Master the art of drying. How you dry your hair can make a significant difference in frizz control. Say goodbye to aggressive towel drying. Instead of rubbing your hair vigorously, gently squeeze out excess water with a microfiber towel or an old t-shirt. This minimizes friction and reduces the risk of cuticle damage, helping to keep frizz at bay. If possible, let your hair air dry to minimize exposure to heat. If you must use a blow dryer, opt for a diffuser attachment and use the lowest heat setting. Additionally, always aim the dryer downward to smooth the cuticle and reduce frizz. Seal the deal with hair oils. Hair oils can be a game changer in your frizzy hair care routine. Choose a lightweight, nourishing oil like argan or jojoba, and apply a small amount to the ends of your hair. This helps to seal the cuticle, providing a protective barrier against environmental factors and keeping frizz under control. Leave-in conditioner. Leave-in conditioners are your secret weapon against frizz. These lightweight formulations provide an extra layer of moisture and help to seal the hair cuticle. Apply a small amount evenly through your damp hair, focusing on the ends, to enjoy smoother, more defined curls or waves. Wide tooth comb. Use a wide tooth comb to detangle your hair. Start from the tips and work your way up to avoid breakage. Comb your hair when it's damp to minimize damage. Heat styling with caution. If you must use heat styling tools, apply a heat protectant before styling. Limit the use of flat irons and curling wands to prevent further damage and frizz. Mistakes to avoid for frizzy hair. Overwashing. Washing your hair too frequently can strip it of its natural oils, leading to increased frizz. Aim for 2-3 times a week, depending on your hair type. Using hot water. Hot water can open the hair cuticle, making it prone to frizz. Opt for lukewarm to cold water for washing and rinsing. Skipping regular trims. Split ends contribute to frizz. Aim to schedule a trim every 6 to 8 weeks to keep your hair in top condition and minimize the risk of frizz-inducing damage. Sleeping on cotton pillowcase. Believe it or not, your choice of pillowcase can impact your hair. Swap your cotton pillowcase for a silk or satin one to minimize friction while you sleep. This simple switch can help prevent tangles and reduce frizz, leaving you with smoother morning hair. Touching your hair too much during the day. Bad hair habits, like running your fingers through your hair all day long, can ruffle your hair's cuticle and make it appear poofy and frizzy. Leaving your hair open overnight. Protect your hair from too much friction by securing it in a loose braid or bun for the night. Ignoring humidity. Humidity is a major contributor to frizz. Use anti-humidity products and protective hairstyles during humid weather to keep your hair under control. Not protecting your hair during your workout. It may sound crazy, but sweat can actually dry out your locks. The combination of salt and proteins found in sweat can be very dehydrating for hair. Before your workout, spritz on a leave-in conditioner to seal in moisture and create a barrier against sweat. coloring your hair. Bleaching and dyeing are very damaging to your delicate mane. If you're fighting frizz, it's better to take a break from coloring. Overusing hairspray. Using too much hairspray in humid weather can backfire. Even the lightweight hairsprays often have drying alcohols that make your hair more frizzy. DIY hair masks for frizzy hair. Avocado and olive oil mask. Mash 1 ripe avocado and mix it with 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Apply this mask to your hair, focusing on the ends. Leave it on for 30 minutes before rinsing with cold water. Coconut milk and honey mask. Mix half a cup of coconut milk with 2 tablespoons of honey. Apply to damp hair and leave it on for 20 to 30 minutes before washing with a mild shampoo. Banana and yogurt mask. Blend 1 ripe banana with a half cup of plain yogurt. Apply this mask to your hair, leave it on for 30 minutes, and rinse with cold water. Aloe vera gel and vitamin E mask. Combine 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel with the content of 1 vitamin E capsule. Apply to your hair, leave it on for 30 minutes, and wash it out with a sulfate-free shampoo. Egg and olive oil mask. Beat 2 eggs and mix them with 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Apply this mixture to your hair, leave it on for 20 to 30 minutes, and rinse with cold water. And that's it for today. Hope you found this video helpful. Remember, consistency in your hair care routine is key for long-term results. If you made it till the end, include this emoji in your comment and let us know which topic you'd like to see in the next video. See you in the next video.